Hey guys, so today we've got a few new Dr. Jart products I just want to talk about a little bit from the new tea treatment collection, which was released at Sephora just in the last few days. However, it's been on some of the K-beauty sites for a little bit longer. That's where I picked them all up from. They're a little bit more affordable from there too, so worth doing a little bit of checking. I think I got them all at like 50% off. So anyway, so I picked up quite a few of them. The Tea Treatment Moisturizer, I'm going to talk about that first. It contains a lot of good ingredients for your skin. We've got tea tree oil, obviously, niacinamide. We've got Centella Asiatica in it, fig extract, green tea. It comes out really fast. Licorice root. Then we've got witch hazel, which can be kind of irritating and drying to some types because witch hazel tends to contain a fair amount of denatured alcohol, especially how it's distilled. A little bit of salicylic acid, and then simonium bark, which is a fragrance ingredient. So it does have quite a few different fragrance ingredients. Tea tree oil has been shown to really help prevent and heal and get rid of acne. However, sometimes companies use a really high percentage of it, which can actually, in turn, kind of do the opposite and kind of irritate your skin. But if you get a lower concentration, you're better off. So something between like 1 and 3% usually can be beneficial to skin. Although, even though it's good, sometimes if you have very sensitive skin, it might not react well to it. So I recommend doing a patch test if you decide to pick it up, just to make sure your skin isn't overly sensitized to it. So tea tree oil can have some good things in it. Witch hazel also can have some good properties. Also can be kind of drying to skin. And then the simonium bark can also be a fragrance ingredient. So they've done a decent job with the formula, just a little bit too much fragrance. However, the tea tree oil in there, I'm guessing it's around like 2% based on where it is on the ingredient list. I'm going to do some more digging with the brand, but it is moderately hydrating at the same time. It really leaves skin with a nice matte finish. So the moisturizer is a decent product worth considering if you don't mind a little bit of fragrance. And the price, I think at Sephora, is a little bit expensive. So Dr. Jart also came out with several other products. These are just those little stickers you put over. And so they've got one version, which is a plain version, which you can use during the daytime, apparently. And then one version, which you can use at night, which is soothing. So I haven't had a chance to try either of them out yet. So we'll see. Maybe I'll get an opportunity to. And then actually one of the more curious products that they released, which hasn't been on Sephora's site yet, I'm assuming it'll be there soon, the Tea Treatment Invisible Patch. So they say you can apply this over blemishes and then let it dry. And then after that, after it fully dries, you can apply makeup over it. So it kind of seals skin's problems in. Treats it while you're out for the day wearing makeup. So I did a little patch test on it with Bare Minerals Bare Pro Foundation. So you can see the little spot where I applied the product. You can see that little spot, and it has a bit of a shine to it, so you can kind of tell that there's something over that. So I don't know, perhaps this would work better with other foundations. The Bare Minerals Bare Pro Foundation for me is a favorite, and it really does tend to work well. So the fact that it's not super compatible with it, although I guess it's better than just putting makeup right over the blemish. I don't know. I'm not really sold that this can really be a good looking option, but you know what? There's interesting ways to make things look. So maybe if you dabbed a concealer on it, it would work better. Or maybe if you applied a primer right over it and then your makeup, it would work better. So certainly if that's an issue or a concern, it's worth playing around and giving a little bit of a try. So that one also contains a lot of the tea tree oil and the same good ingredients that the moisturizer contained, and a few of the same problematic ones, although it's a very interesting concept. I'm kind of surprised I haven't seen anything similar to this before. So it kind of was intriguing to me. So anyway, what else? Oh, then I picked up the body wash, but they also have a toner on Sephora, and then they also have a face wash, which I think the face wash is also quite similar to the body wash. So anyway, I was more interested in trying out. I needed a new cleanser for all over, so I figured I'd give that a try in the moisturizer. So that was really intriguing to me. So Anyway, so I just want to give you my first kind of thoughts on it in case you guys are thinking about picking them up at Sephora. Dr. Jart always has some interesting products, so that's kind of why I like the brand. So anyway, so I'm interested if you guys have tried it or if you're thinking about picking it up. So certainly leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you guys so much.